Yo, what's going on YouTube? We got another video today. So I think the last video y'all saw, I kind of hinted towards the next mod I'm gonna do to my car, to the STI, and it finally arrived, and I got all the things I wanted to change out for it. So we're doing a whole revamp of the whole rear lighting system, as y'all can tell by the thumbnail. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip the camera and show y'all what I got. Oh, someone just got pulled over. That's crazy. I tried to get y'all a clip, but they went down the road. I ran and tried to show y'all on the other side of the wall, but it was too late. But let me go ahead and show y'all what I bought. So we got a brand new set of Spec D V1 taillights for the STI. If y'all know, I have had this set before, but I had a tinted version, which in my opinion, it was cool because like, I'll show y'all what I mean after this, but it was cool because you don't see the bulbs as much. But honestly, it was a phase. The car was black, obviously. I was still new to all this, but it's time to grow up. You gotta get clears. And respectfully, right now, I don't have the money to just ditch out like $1,200 for a custom set of clear Sui Speed TR style taillights, because they're like $1,200 or something like that. Oh, I forgot. Still a crazy amount. But these would match the car, me personally, for like my future build and everything, a lot more. Hopefully y'all do like it as well. But let me show y'all what I got to go with it. Got a crazy steal on these, but it's the LLM, aka Sui Speed rear turn signal V2s that come with the brake light and the reverse light built in. Because my old ones, excuse the dirtiness, but the old ones that I have right here, these are Subi Bros, and they look kind of the same. If we're putting it right next to it, they look exactly the same, but here's the difference between the tinted and the clear. So you're about to tell the difference with the taillights. Fortunately, I sold the last pair that I had. I kept these because I couldn't find the cover. And plus, I put it online, but nobody wanted to buy it anyway, so I just kept it on the car. And these still work great, but these are the difference. But these only have a brake light in the middle and no reverse light. But these will. You can see the two different color LEDs inside. And holding it side by side, I can't tell if it's the plastic or what, but the Spec D white bar is a little darker. But honestly, if you're gonna put it on the car, you're not gonna tell that much of a difference. But yeah, guys, I'm mad excited because I've been running the stock taillights for about a couple months now. And don't get me wrong, I don't mind it. Low-key, the clear version of these though, I actually kind of like them too. But they're not bad, don't get me wrong by any means, but you know, we kind of like, lighting changes the cars look a lot. So y'all know, y'all understand. That's why y'all clicking on the video anyways. So let's go ahead and start the install because there's enough yapping now. I'm not gonna do too much of a step-by-step tutorial. If anything, I'll link the video from my last video that I did taillights right here. And it should be in this top corner right here. Crazy because that was 3 years ago and 10K views. I really do appreciate y'all for that. Hopefully y'all can run this video up as well. But let's get started with the taillight install. All right, so I got all the clips, bolts, and everything taken off. Boom, all the trunk stuff is over there. Taillight and everything is over there. Bolts are right here. Should be straight, bolts are off. So let's go ahead and take off the taillights. Side by side to show y'all stock versus updated right here. But I really wish I had the stock set still so that I can show y'all. You know, money's tight, I gotta sell to buy, you know? So here it is. Let's go ahead. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and remove that one down there as well. So just get ready to clip everything on. Hopefully, since I do have the wiring done for that rear tail light right there, hopefully they have the same connector, because I did notice that they were made by the same brand, which is right there. STI, something suited. But yeah, hopefully they're made the same brand, so the connector's the same. If not, it's not that hard to switch it out. But luckily, it came with another plug-and-play harness, just in case I do need it. So yeah, let's go ahead and get that rear light out. Y'all just realized something? Hopefully it's not nothing in my face. But since this one has a reverse light module, I need to use that plug and play harness because then it's gonna have the reverse light. If it wasn't, then it'll be a lot easier.
So I'm gonna reinstall everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock that out and get back to you. I just realized that I linked all the videos to taillights. I thought it was gonna be a lot easier to install, but since I have to reinstall the third brake light, I'm gonna go ahead and link the video for that one right now in that corner as well. So you got 2 bonus videos to watch it though. Something, but you know, y'all gotta check it out. Watch this one first, then check it out. Appreciate y'all. Okay, but honestly, I didn't think it'd be that much of a difference with just the bottom light. But from seeing the smoke to now, dude, it's a huge difference. Let me just go turn around and show you. Just look how much that pops like before. And y'all see the thumbnail too. It's like it's there, but it's cool. It blends in, but now this thing pops. I can't wait to see the taillights on that. Dude, that pops a lot. Okay, let's get put it on a tripod. I'm gonna time lapse through both sides of the taillights, and y'all will see the image after. Y'all, it has been, well, it got way brighter out here now, which is weird because it got later, but it's probably because it was cloudy. Anyways, it has been too long since I had a pair of taillights on the car. And at one point, I just thought it was like an OEM plus build, like you just add stuff on, you don't take yeah, whatever, right? Dude, the taillights look so good, guys. Let me just turn around and show y'all, bro. Obviously, they're still plastic, but damn, dude, that pops so much more. Let me close the trunk. Dude, look at that. So much better than the smoked. Pops way more. Only gripe I've had is since the smoked was blacked out, you don't see the red reflectors. It's okay because it kind of matches with the red emblems and stuff, but that's about it though. But dude, these look so much better. I actually prefer these over the smoked. I'm growing up, guys. I'm growing up. No more black wheels. No more reps. I had a pair of Rep TEs because I needed a set of wheels fast. No more, bro. I'll tell you right now, next wheel's gonna be chrome, or not chrome, silver. But I'm not gonna tell you what model it is yet. Nothing too crazy though. I ain't Chris Boers out here, TJ Hunt. You know, I got HREs and work miles and shit. I'm not that rich, but it's gonna still look good. Trust. All right, so let me go ahead, clean everything up, put everything back together, take the plastic off, and I'm gonna show y'all the features this car lights has, bro. All right, y'all, cleanup process done. Wait a little later. It doesn't look like it, but it's a little dark outside, especially because the turn signal is going to be the lights are going to be a lot brighter. But let me turn the car around, turn the camera around, show y'all the lights and all those features. So let me go ahead and put you on the tripod and set y'all down. As you can tell, you just saw the bottom light have the reverse and everything like that. I think it's pretty clean. Only thing I will say is since I bought these two from Subi Speed and Spec D, that the actual white bar lens itself is not the same white. I'll turn around and show you right now. It looks a little brighter, but honestly it's not that big of a deal. Like that bar right there is so much brighter than these. But I feel like it's not really that big of a deal anyways. If I had gotten the Subi Speed ones, then maybe they might have been the same. But honestly, like, it's only because I notice it, but you really can't tell like that. Even like, right, just But honestly, me personally, bro, I love these. I'm so glad I got a pair of clears now. Clears, not like full clear, like chrome clears, but clear lenses with the white.
All part of the process for the build, guys. If y'all like the video though, make sure y'all go down and like and subscribe. And let me know if y'all actually like these or not. Or do y'all prefer the tinted? Or should I have gotten a different style in general? Because my other choice was the Subi Speed ones or the Valentis. And then both of them cost a lot more, especially the Valentis. It costs double what I got for these. And actually, yeah, for sure. So I'm gonna catch y'all later. Hope y'all like the video.